Hi Mansi.
Hi, Mansi.
Happy birthday to you. So we are first going to sing the birthday song for you. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mansi. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, have a wonderful, wonderful day. I know it's kind of boring to have a birthday in a lockdown mode. No celebration, nothing, no friends. But I'm sure your mom has planned something great for the day. So enjoy, have fun. Okay, and I have written a small poem for you. Okay, and I hope you like it. Okay, you don't have a choice. You have to like it. Okay. So this poem is dedicated to you. Okay. जिंदगी चलते रहने का नाम है, अपने लिए नहीं अपनों के लिए जीने का काम है। सामने चट्टान आए उसे तोड़ के आगे चल, जमी खत्म हो जाए तेरी तो तू आसमां पे चल। ओके, सो वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे। बाय।
की कली मेरी लाडली, नाजों से पली मेरी लाडली, ओ आस किरण तू चुक चुक जिए, नन्ही सी कली मेरी लाडली, ओ मेरी लाडली। जूही की कली मेरी लाडली, नाजों से पली मेरी लाडली, ओ आस किरण तू चुक चुक जिए, नन्ही सी परी मेरी लाडली, ओ मेरी लाडली। हैप्पी बर्थडे मानसी।
Happy birthday.
Hi, Mansi, your baby. Many happy returns of the day.
Hi, Mansi. Happy birthday, dear. I don't know if you remember me. I saw you when you were a very small little baby. But we wanted to wish you and wish you a very, very happy birthday. And thinking of you guys on this day. Please take care. Be safe.
I very well can understand that you miss your dad on this day. But then we can't do anything about God's wish, right? We are all there for you. You
Yes.
are always there in our mind. Please take care.
Remember,
Have a nice
he's in
day.
a better place and he's still watching over you. He's there with you every day of your life. With everything that you do, he'll be at your side.
We all love you. Okay.
Love you.
Take care.
Take
Have
care.
a nice day. Okay.
Be safe. And all the best. Bye.
Bye.
Hey Mansi, wishing you a wonderful birthday with magical surprises. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mansi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mansi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you and keep you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mansi. Devik and Dia, what is the one thing you like about Mansi?
She's very cute and bubbly.
Happy birthday, Mansi.
Have a nice day.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. Chase your dreams. Be happy. Love you. All the best. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mansi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mansi.
Dear Mansi, good morning. This is Mukhtar uncle wishing you a very happy birthday in between this COVID 2020. Thank you. Take care and God bless you.
Hi, Mansi. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, my little princess. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you so much. These are your little memories with me still now. Thank you so much, my sweetie pie. God bless you immensely. Let all your dreams come true. Mama's baby. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, little one. Thank you once again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे। मेरे तरफ से अच्छे से केक खाना और बड़ा सा केक बनाना और बाय।
केक खाते वक्त हम लोग को याद करना, भाई को बोलना केक बनाने के लिए for once.
Hi Mansi. Happy birthday dear. I'll sing a song for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर मानसी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Mansi. Have a blast. All the best. Bye.
Hey, Mansi. First of all, a very happy birthday to you. Mansi, you are one of the sweetest friends that I've ever had in my life. And as far as I remember, I've seen all kinds of faces of yours. Your I'm not in a good mood today, or I want to go to a fancy restaurant today, or I'm so nervous for my result face, and so on. I still remember, actually I cannot ever forget the tasty dishes you used to make for us and bring for us during our college time. And I remember the lasagna that I had for my first time, even though I couldn't even spell it, it is one of the tastiest till date. Just remember one thing, that this friend is always going to be through thick and thin of your life. So happy birthday again and bye.
हमारे ग्रुप की मोनिका किलर के लिए पुतिन दिनात सुभाषयालू ऑफ कोर्स गूगल किया है। तो तू अभी 25 ईयर ओल्ड है। हाँ 25 ईयर ओल्ड है, सुन के थोड़ा ऐसा डर लगा होगा। हम सब अभी भी 24 साल के ही है, तो हमसे 1 साल बड़ी है। मैं तेरे खाने को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी से बुला ले या खिला ले। आंटी आपको भी बोल रहा हूँ, आपके खाने को भी मिस कर रहा हूँ मैं। ऑल्सो रिमाइंडर टू यू मानसी, मैं तेरे बिस्ट्रो कैफ़े या बेकरी जो भी है उसके लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ। फटाक से कुछ खोल दे, मेरे को बस तेरा खाना खाना है, जल्दी फास्ट।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mansi. I know this is the first time in 6 years or 5 years we are not meeting on your birthday, but I hope you enjoy this year and we are gonna catch up later and we want that party from you. और क्या बोलूँ यार, हाँ सिर्फ एक एडवाइस है यार, PUBG में थोड़ा लूट कम करना, बिकॉज लास्ट में 10 लोग बचे रहते, फिर भी तू लूट करने से मतलब लूट करना नहीं है तेरे को, इधर 10 लोग बचे हो तो इधर लूट कर रही है, तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा ओके बाय।
Hello Mansi, wish you many happy returns of the day. Finally it's your day. So अब क्या ही बोलूँ तेरे लिए, बहुत कुछ है। बट लाइक बोलने के टाइम पे आता नहीं है, बट स्टिल जो आएगा मैं लाइक विल ट्राई टू से। तो मेरे लाइफ में लाइक मैं बहुत बार कहीं पे मैं स्टक हुआ हूँ। सो लाइक ऐसा होता है ना, हर एक के लाइफ में कोई फ्रेंड होता है जिससे लाइक हम हड़बड़ाते नहीं है कुछ शेयर करने के लिए। सो वो मेरे लाइफ में वो तू है। सो मैंने तेरे से बहुत कुछ शेयर किया एंड देन तूने उसका सजेशन दिया एंड इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट। सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट। एंड तू लाइक सिर्फ मेरे को नहीं, बहुत लोग को तू हेल्प करती है। सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द लाइक बेस्ट क्वालिटी यू हैव। सो गुड। और यू आर वेरी काइंड, बहुत ही काइंड है, सबके लिए का बहुत ही काइंड है तू। वेरी गुड गेमर पबजी वो भी है। एंड आई होप कि तू ये साल तू बहुत प्रोडक्टिव रहे, तू और स्ट्रॉन्ग बने। और लाइक जो भी सोच रही हो लाइक ये साल में ये करूँगी वो करूँगी, एंड आई होप तुझे गॉड इतना पावर दे कि तू सब कुछ अचीव कर सके। ओके, सो आई रियली मतलब होप कि तू जो भी सोचे ये साल सब कुछ तू अचीव कर सके। सो गॉड लाइक भगवान तुझे बहुत ही शक्ति दे सब कुछ फेस करने के लिए, चाहे कुछ भी हो, कुछ भी मतलब दुनिया का कुछ भी चीज़ हो लाइक तुझे कुछ ब्रेक मतलब तुझको रोक रहा हो। सो कुछ तो भगवान तेरे को इतना पावर दे कि तू सबको फेस कर सके। ओके, सो आई होप लाइक तुझे भगवान इतना बहुत मतलब अच्छा पावर दे सब कुछ फेस करने के लिए। एंड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बी प्रोडक्टिव। अपना दिन को ट्राई करके अपने दिन को बहुत प्रोडक्टिव बनाए तू। और यस, सोए कम, ज़्यादा सोना अच्छी बात नहीं है, कम सोया कर। एंड ट्राई टू डू थिंग्स जिससे तेरा दिन प्रोडक्टिव हो एंड तू आगे बढ़ सके। सो लाइक बहुत कुछ है बट इतना आ नहीं रहा दिमाग में। सो अगेन विश यू मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hey, hi Mansi. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Although we met only once, but I felt very warm when I met you, and it was very nice. And I'm glad that I met you on that day when I came there to give a surprise to your mom. Enjoy your day, and God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mansi didi. तू मस्त enjoy कर.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you,
Mansi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mansi. Happy birthday to you.
मगान का आशीर्वाद अंकल ना.
Daddy's आशीर्वाद अंकल ना and mommy's blessing अंकल ना. And
lots of love, success, happiness, joy, and we really look forward to meeting you very soon. Always keep smiling, and lots of wishes from your Mishti also. Mishti baby.
Mishti baby, Chotu baby, yeah, flying Mishti. Okay, so Mansi, your birthday is on Sunday, which is also Father's Day, and I'm sure this is a time you'll miss daddy and you'll miss your daddy, but remember he's in a good space and he's in a good time, and you really need to pray for him so that he's born again in a very beautiful way. And anytime, any place you need us, we are here, me and Nita here for you anytime, anyway. Your daddy and your mommy and your godfathers, we are here for you. Whenever you need us, for whatever you need us, we are here for you. So stay blessed and just shine and just grow and just prove yourself that you're far bigger than any tragedy that exists. Alright? We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday. Give
Happy
thanks.
birthday.
Come on,
dear
birthday.
Mansi. Happy birthday.
We love you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Booby.
Happy birthday, Booby. Hope you have a nice day.
I hope we get to see you soon.
We'll cut your birthday cake when we meet. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Mansi. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a very special day. God bless.
love from all of us.
And we have a new member in our family who's also wanting to wish you a very happy birthday. His name is Hai. So Mansi, God bless you. Take care. We miss you. Wish we will come and wish we could have come and met you. But nevertheless, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you, dear beta.
Hello Manasi, wish you a happy, healthy, holy birthday. A very happy year ahead. Be happy. Sairam.
God bless you.
Sairam Mansi, wish you a very happy birthday, have a great day, and all the years coming ahead of you. May all your goals and ambitions be achieved. May Swami shower his choicest blessings always on you. I always like your smiling face and being positive. Please keep it up. Sairam.
Happy birthday, Mansi. God bless you.
Was brought up by the statement of the CNA. That is a massive shift.
Happy birthday, Mansi. God bless you.
That is not acceptable.
Enjoy the birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mansi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mansi. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Hi Mansi. What do I say? Many happy returns of the day. You are a blessing. You're a blessed child. You are the apple of our eyes. We had wanted a girl in the family for so long. So when you were born, you were an angel. You broke the jinx of 23 years of not having a girl in the family. You were an angel with your pink what do I say? I don't have words to describe. It was such a miracle. I mean, pink and with curly hair stuck to your head. You're a dream come true for us, baby. We love you a lot. You are a benevolent child. I know you are your soul is so pure. And we love you a lot. All of us, your friends, family, everybody loves you. I can't talk too much. I just want to say that we have given you wings. Take flight now. This is the time. You have to prove yourself, not to anybody else, but to yourself that you can do things and do it right. We love you, baby. The rest I'll tell you first. Love you. Have a great day. Enjoy.